So aldol condensation is a reaction of aldehyde and ketone in which alpha hydrogen is participating in reaction. What happens in this reaction? So aldol condensation is of two types. One is self condensation, another is cross aldol condensation. So let's learn one by one. First of all, the first example of aldehyde. This is possible for minimum one alpha hydrogen present in the compound. So one more carbon instead with CHO should be present. So minimum two carbon we can take here, that is CH3 CHO. This is ethanol reacting with another molecule of ethanol, CH3 CHO. You can write them like this, CH3 CHO two times, but we are writing this to understand it better. So this is ethanol or acetaldehyde. In presence of friends, dilute NaOH, the first step is reversible, but NaOH is used as a catalyst. And what happened? So look at here. This is the first molecule, CH3. C, this is O. Hydrogen is also present and written like this. You can write together with also. This is the second bond. These two bonds were there with oxygen. Out of two, one bond will move to here. Now it is of second ethanol. One hydrogen from here will attach and CH2. This is CH3. CH2 and H, and this is CHO. So you can see, friends, this aldehyde CHO group, this is alpha carbon and this is alpha hydrogens. One alpha hydrogen is attaching here, and that's why this reaction is addition reaction. What should be the name of the compound? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. For 4 carbon, it is butane. But CHO is present, that's why butanol. And on third carbon, you can see this is OH is called hydroxy. So 3 hydroxy butanol. It is also known as, friends, aldol. That's why this is the first addition product called aldol. But this is not completed. In further step, it will be heated, and, friends, OH from here and H from the next one will remove as water molecule. And between this 2 and 3 number carbon, one double bond will be formed because OH is removed. So this bond is left, it will move upwards. So CH3, this is CH, then, friends, double bond CH, and then CHO. Once again, you can see there are total 4 carbons. 4 carbon is butane, but double bond is there. That's why it is but. On second carbon, you can see in, and this is al. So the word is bute, but to enal. But to enal. Enal is actually combination of ENE plus Al. This is removed and this is added. So in suffix for C double bond C and al suffix for CHO, these two suffixes are together called enal, and the product is called aldol condensation product of ethanol. Aldol condensation product of ethanol. This is the first one. Same to same, friends. Reaction possible for ketone 2. Let's consider CH3 COCH3. This is propanol or propanone, sorry, or acetone reacting with another molecule of acetone or propanone. This is written simply because it is not reacting in first step. Instead of NaOH here, barium hydroxide, BaOH twice is to be used as a catalyst. So what happened in the first step? Once again, it's addition reaction CH3CO. Friends, this CH3 will move to upwards. This is CH3. Out of double bond with two bonds with oxygen, one bond will be present here. And from this CH3, one H will join here. So this is CH2, CO, CH3. This part is attached as it is. This product is called ketol. What is the name? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. As ketone is given priority, this is on second number. 5 carbon is there. So the name pentane is to be used. E is to be removed and O and E on second carbon. So pentane 2 on, but still these two are left. On fourth number, one branch is of methyl, one branch is of hydroxy. As hydroxy starts from H, it is to be given priority as per IUPAC rule. So 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl, methyl starts from M, hydroxy starts from H. So H is comes first and this is later. That's why it should be written like this. So this is the intermediate or first product of ketol of aldol condensation of ketone. In second step, friends, once again, as we heated it, water molecule will be removed. Water molecule will be removed from OH from here and H from here. So this is CH3, C, CH3. Here the double bond will be formed CH and this is CO, CH3. So once again, total, friends, 5 carbons are in chain, but now double bond is present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon is called pent. Double bond is present, friends, on double bond is present, friends, on third carbon, and CO ketone group is on second carbon. But for double bond, ENE suffix in, so EN is to be written first, E is to be removed, and here 2 on. So pent 3 in, 2 on. These two separate suffix are added for double bond and ketone functional groups. Then one branch is still present. It is methyl on fourth carbon. So it's 4 methyl pent 3 in, 2 on is the name of the final product of self condensation of, friends, ketone, that is acetone taken as example.